Today we are going to show you how to install a new ZEV barrel into a Gen 3 Glock slide. Before we begin, you should please note these modifications should only be done by a trained professional gunsmith, and they are intended to make your firearm safe and reliable. As always, when dealing with any firearm at all times, maintain the utmost respect and safety of your firearm and follow these guidelines. We will be using a threaded barrel for a standard Glock 17. Our barrels are manufactured with pre-hardened chromium stainless steel that was originally designed for use in match-grade rifle barrels. They are some of the most precise in the industry, designed with our official ZEV dimples and our black DLC or diamond-like carbon coloring. They are also available in bronze and stainless steel. As always, check to make sure your firearm is clear and safe before handling. You'll begin by removing the slide with the overhand technique as mentioned in our previous troubleshooting video. You can set the frame aside and remove the guide rod and spring first, followed by the barrel you are replacing. Next, you'll unscrew the thread cap and seat the barrel into the slide, followed by the guide rod. It is important to place the guide rod in the correct position, otherwise it may cause slide issues and prevent it from transitioning back. An easy indicator is the curved groove bottom shelf meant to fit the guide rod and not the top shelf shown here by the arrow. The rod should be perfectly aligned with the slide and barrel and not off-center. Finally, you'll screw the thread cap back on and you're ready to install the slide onto your frame. When the guide rod is placed correctly, the slide will transition back smoothly and without any issues. And you're all set with your new ZEV barrel. If you have any questions about our products, call our customer service number provided in the information section of this video. And for your next upgrades and installs, keep it here at ZEV Technologies.